Hello everyone. Today, we're checking out AiSensy, a WhatsApp marketing tool that's getting a lot of attention. But is it actually worth your time and money? Let's find out. So, what is AiSensy? It's a platform that lets businesses use WhatsApp for marketing. You can send messages to thousands of people at once, set up automated replies with chatbots, and even run ads that send people straight to your WhatsApp chat. It's built on the official WhatsApp Business API, which means it follows all of the WhatsApp rules. They offer a free plan to get started, with paid plans beginning at around 999 rupees per month. Let's talk about what people love. First, the features are solid. You get broadcast messages, automated chatbots, live chat support with multiple team members, and detailed analytics. Several users say the dashboard is easy to use, even if you're not tech savvy. The customer support gets praised too, especially for helping with setup and getting the verified green checkmark on WhatsApp. Many businesses report getting more leads and even better engagement compared to regular methods. One real estate company even saw 5 times more leads using their click to WhatsApp ads. But here's where things get messy. Recent reviews show serious issues. Users complain about bugs, system crashes, and features not working as promised. The biggest complaint? Support is slow. People report waiting days or even weeks for help. Despite promises of quick responses, some say the platform becomes unstable with messages not sending or the app logging out randomly. There are also complaints about surprise charges and difficulty getting refunds. A few users call it unreliable for important business communications. So, is AI Sensei legit? Yes, it's a real official WhatsApp API provider. Does it work well? That depends. If you're a small business testing WhatsApp marketing, the free plan might work. But if you need reliable, stable service with good support, you might want to look at other options first. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one.